What is going on, guys? This is how to get rich off your girlfriend. How to get rich off your girlfriend. How to get rich off your girlfriend. And your girlfriend, she'll be taken care of. You and your girlfriend share a special bond, basically, when you first start meeting and dating. That'll play an important role. Basically, you're gonna buy her a Steam card. You're gonna buy her a Steam card and give it to her. It only has to be about 20 to 50 bucks at a time. The more you give to her, the stronger it gets. Until you're profiting off it greatly. Buy your girlfriend a Steam card. That's why you and your girlfriend share a special bond, or should share. No, wait, you guys share a special bond, yeah. Because when you buy her the cards, it'll grow stronger and stronger. The feelings will go stronger and stronger until you profit off it greatly. Money. Get rich off your girlfriend. How to have a super girlfriend. How to have a super girlfriend. How to have a super girlfriend. Anyway, you'll just keep buying her Steam cards until it gets stronger and stronger. Until it's ultimate, guys. And then you can just keep going. And you'll just profit off it greatly. The more Steam cards you buy her and give to her, basically. That's all you do for that. That's it, guys. That's all you do. That's my tutorial, my Purple Crayola tutorial here. Here on Purple Crayola. Alright, that's it, guys. See you next time.